In this video, you'll learn how to find your OKX referral code using the OKX app. This process is straightforward and allows you to easily share your referral code with others. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as this is necessary for the app to function properly. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the main dashboard. Next, locate the icon that resembles 9 squares, which is typically found in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu, and tapping it will reveal additional options related to your account. After tapping the 9 squares, a menu will appear, displaying various options. Look for the option labeled referral and select it. This action will take you to the referral section of the app. Once in the referral section, you will see your unique referral code prominently displayed. This is the code that you can share with others to earn rewards. Take a moment to verify that it is correctly displayed before proceeding. To share your referral code, tap on the copy or share button. This option will typically allow you to send your code through various platforms such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. Choose your preferred method for sharing. After selecting your sharing method, follow the prompts to send your referral code to the desired recipient. Keep in mind that if your internet connection is slow, it may take a moment for the sharing process to complete. Ensure that you confirm the action before exiting the app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.